It's a multi-piece assembly. It has sort of shoes and pants that are integrated, although they all come apart, so the components are different sizes, and we build a suit that's more or less custom to fit each person. The suit and the pants and the shoes are one component. The hard upper torso is another component. The gloves, and then the helmet. And they'll have multiple layers of insulation for thermal protection and radiation protection. Then there's what we call pressure bladder that keeps all the gas that we're breathing in a container. And there's a restraint which keeps the shape of the suit. The torso is hard, but everything else is soft, so they have to have a very strong webbing-like material inside which the pressure bladder resides, that your body is inside, so it looks sort of like a person when you're in it. Well, it's really cold or really hot outside depending on whether you're in the sun or in the shade. So one of the things that the spacesuit protects you from is temperature extremes. It also protects you from the fact that there's nothing to breathe out there, so you have a pressure shell. We're inside a vehicle, if you will, that's pressurized to about 1/3 of an atmosphere, which isn't enough. It would not sustain life if it were just air, but it's all oxygen. So you get you get plenty of oxygen, and that's enough pressure for your organism to sort of stay together. So that's important. And then the third thing is radiation. Radiation out there is more severe because we're not protected either by the atmosphere of the Earth or by the structure of the space station or the space shuttle, depending on where you're living most of the time. So we have to have something that will keep those high energy particles from hitting us, and that's what the spacesuit does for us.